find bear poop today.
To you.
My name is Amy Hurt.
I'm John Beckman.
I'm a biologist and a dog handler.
And I'm a wildlife biologist.
My dog's name is Wicket. She's trained to find black bear, grizzly bear, wolf, and mountain lion poop. You can teach us all dogs some new tricks. In the field, she's supposed to go out with myself and an orienteer, and she's not using her eyes, she's using her nose to look for scab. When she finds it, she sits and looks at me, and then the person working with us can pick up the poop.
What we're going to do with the data is to try to figure out if carnivores are using this area between Yellowstone and central Idaho.
Let's go!
I trained Wicket. I started with boxes with holes in the top, and we put one of the kinds of poop that we want her to find in the box. And I ask her to sniff that box, and as soon as she does, the toy that I'm holding flies out of nowhere, and she gets to play with it. And we do that enough times so that she learns that that smell means her toy. When I was very young, I wanted to be a cheerleader.
I wanted to be an Air Force pilot.
I remember telling my 10th grade biology teacher that I will never need this stuff.
I started being in science clubs clear back in 3rd grade.
I was wrong, and I did need biology.
The best part of my job is being outside and getting to see all the animals in the field. We download the data off the GPS onto the computer so we can identify exactly where we walk. The blue is where we walk, the red is where Wicket the dog walked. The yellow triangles here represent where we found poop. When we come back to camp and work the samples, we put them in an alcohol solution and then send them off to the lab.
And they can tell us which kind of bear it came from and which individual bear it came from.
The data actually helps us model exactly the important areas. It's an area that we would call a corridor, which is a potential movement area for carnivores between Yellowstone and central Idaho. We think of carnivores as an umbrella. If we protect them, then we protect all the other species in the ecosystem.